Feeding Hope has raised $65,000 today so far, thanks to the community's generosity. Now, that equals about 255,000 meals to feed people suffering from food insecurity in the Big Bend. But you see, that will only last a little bit over a week in Second Harvest's heightened demand. That's why we need more donations. So far, we've seen a lot of support from businesses like Alpha Foundations.
Alpha Foundations has given a donation of $10,000 as a call to action for other businesses and people in the community who have the ability to help. We kept seeing headlines about children and family going hungry locally, so we were all trying to figure out the best path to help out. We all looked into a lot of different options to help feed the community, but everything that we kept coming up with revolved around people gathering together and make social distancing a challenge. So then we looked into Second Harvest and found out that they could provide food for those in need for about a quarter a meal. And we decided that they could do a lot more with our donation than we could on our own.
All of these donations are so much appreciated. We have an hour and a half left until the telethon is over, and we really want to try to get as many donations as possible. There's never been a greater need for the services of Second Harvest of the Big Bend.